I think there's a great filmmaker lurking deep inside each and every one of us. Today's HD capture devices are more capable than ever before, and the web offers us a way to share our stories with the world. Follow the adventure as I demonstrate proven filmmaking techniques and discover some wacky new ones. Stay tuned, there's lots more to come.